Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you how to mine Kybernetwork on any computer or laptop. So let's get started. Before starting the video, if you are new here, make sure to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. While we upload a new video, you should be the first one to get its notification. For mining Kybernetwork, you need a good hardware components, fast internet connection, and a Kybernetwork wallet address. So here I will open the browser. Before navigating to the mining process, navigate to IntoCrypto. Check out the mining tutorials, the Binance tutorials, and other coin reviews. So here for the mining the Kybernetwork, you need to open a new tab and type unmineable.com. Unmineable or unmineable miner is a tool which you can mine some mineable and some non-mineable token on your computer or Windows operating system. So here is the Kybernetwork. Through this video, step by step, I will show you how to mine it. So stay till the end. I will minimize the window, navigate to the desktop. Here, create a new folder and type it Kyber. Once the folder is successfully created, navigate to Windows Security, click on the virus and create protection. Now scroll down, click on the manage settings. Now again scroll down. Here click on add or remove exclusion. Select add an exclusion. Select the folder. Here select the desktop, select the Kyber folder which you have created. Once the folder successfully added to the Windows exclusion part, simply close the Windows security. Why we are performing this task? This task is one of the most important tasks before downloading the unmineable miner, because the third-party softwares are affiliate or harmful for the Windows operating system. After downloading the unmineable miner, the Windows operating system will delete the unmineable miner if you do not exclude it. So here again I will go back to the unmineable.com. Here click on the download, right click on this, and you can save the link as, or you can download it with any download manager. So I will download it with the IDM. Here click on this three dot, select the desktop, select the Kyber folder and click on save and start the unmineable miner. So as I have already downloaded, so there is no need to download it again. Simply I will cancel the download. Here minimize this and go back to the miner. Here I will copy this and paste it to the Kyber folder. Here right click on this and extract the unmineable miner. Once the unmineable miner successfully extracted, double click to open it. So we are on the unmineable window. Here click on the continue. Here you can select your mining intensity. If your computer is having good graphic card, so you can select GPU. So in this case, simply I will select the CPU. Here you have to select the token type Kyber. You can see KNC or Kybernetwork is available. Here you have to enter your wallet address. In this case, I will use my trust wallet. Here is the KNC token. So here I will copy this. If you don't know how to install or how to download and install the Trust Wallet on your Windows operating system, simply I will provide you the link in the below down description. Check the link and learn how to install the Trust Wallet. Here again I will enter the address here, and you have to click on the start to start mining. Now we are on the mining window. Here you can see last 24-hour reward. The total paid, lost payment now, and payouts from 8 KNC. You can check the price of the KNC token on the CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko. If you want to bring changes to the setting, click on the advanced setting. Here you can select your mining intensity, whether you want to set the setting to the high or low, or you can set the custom setting. Here you can set a custom worker name. You can set a custom referral link. If you want to bring changes, simply click on the save and restart. So now you can see KNC is now perfectly mining on my laptop. So if you want to check the status of the mining, simply click on the status to open the unmineable.com. Click on this auto pay every 12 hours, starting whenever the balance is over 8 KNC. Here you can check the workers, the payments, the referral code. Each miner, they have their own separate referral code. If you should share your referral code with your friends, with other people, once they have started the mining, you will earn the 0.25% of your referrals mining rewards. So guys, you can see the KNC is perfectly mining on the laptop that I am currently using. So guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If the video was useful, thumbs up the video. Share your nice comments in the below down comment section, and thanks for watching. God bless you. I will catch you in the next one.